So the trade that we did today on September 19th, 2025, we made a quick 90% profits on Apple 242.5 calls. So let's get into this trade to see what we did. So first things first, looking at the Discord, did talk about Tesla a little bit. Apple, I said, also up this morning, could see it move upwards above 240 here. So looking to get Apple calls. And I originally said I would like to enter Apple 240 calls if it hits under 240. Now, if we look at the stock here, we did start seeing this big move up here about 10 minutes before market open. So it did move up above 240. I was hoping we'd kind of stay at this 240 level, but kind of didn't. And then as you can see, throughout the rest of the day, the low we actually got was 240.2, which was kind of around this support area, which would have been a nice entry as well. But before market open, so still had plenty of time to change things to just grabbing these right off of the open and changing it to 242.5 calls on Apple. So again, market open in at 55 cents, which was a great entry. I think the low was like 52 cents here. And again, just bouncing off this kind of high of 241 in the pre-market. So solid entry. And then basically stopped out like a minute later off of this sort of downwards move here, which was too bad to see because as you can see, eventually we moved way higher. But it's just this downward move that was kind of a bummer. But again, we sold at $1.05, so 90% profits. We're happy with it. We'll take that. Now, if you did decide to hold on, I think the low of the day was 21 cents, roughly. And then we reached a high of $3.76 or $3.76. So could have made a great trade on these Apple calls if you had held through this chop, but we're not going to. We're happy with this original trade. In and out, quick minute. And that's what we did today. The rest was spent watching, and I didn't really feel comfortable entering anything else. So again, that's the trade we did. Apple 242.5 calls from 55 cents to $1.05. Again, all alerted live from the Discord here, so you can copy the exact same trades that we do. And again, you could have entered this ahead of time because that's what we did. Saying, I'm going to get these things right at the open, or I'm going to get these things under 240. And so that's all you need to watch for if you're going to trade alongside with us. So that's the trade that we did. Going to end it here. Have a great weekend, everyone. I'll try to start posting more of these types of videos so you can see the trades that we do, and we will catch you next week.